Welcome to JEA. We are so excited for you to join our family as you embark on your new career uh, with our JEA family. My name is Andrea White. I am one of our leadership development specialists in the JEA Academy, which provides all of our training and leadership development across the organization. Today, I have the pleasure of being able to share with you a very brief overview of the benefits that you will be able to enjoy as a valued member of JEA. We're happy to have you as part of our company. The following is an overview of your available benefits with JEA. If you have any questions or need additional information after this presentation, please speak to a JEA Benefits team member. During our brief overview, we will review JEA's medical, dental, vision, and life insurance options, as well as some additional resources. During your employment at JEA, there are certain times you will be able to enroll and make changes to your benefits. You can make elections to your benefits as a new hire from your first day through your 30th day of employment. Open enrollment happens in the fall and allows you to make new elections and changes that will become effective on January 1st of the following year. The other time you can make changes would be due to a qualifying life event. If you should experience a life event such as marriage, you can make changes for up to 30 days after the event. These changes have to be consistent with the event. So, for example, a birth of a child would allow you to add that child to your coverage, but would not allow you to add additional family members. JEA offers three options for medical coverage, so you can choose one that best fits you and your family's needs. There are a few things to note while reviewing the medical plans. Each plan has a deductible, similar to car insurance. It is the amount you pay prior to the insurance company paying part of the claim. Each plan also has an out-of-pocket maximum. Once you have met your out-of-pocket maximum, the plan will begin to pay claims at 100%. The PPO and HMO plans will see you as an individual on their plans. What this means is that any individual on the plan would only have to meet the per person deductible and out-of-pocket maximum. They would not have to meet the full family deductible or out-of-pocket maximum. First, we will review the high deductible health plan. A few notes about this plan include if you have dependents on the plan, you will have to meet the full deductible before any coverage would begin, and the full family out-of-pocket maximum would have to be met before items would be paid at 100% by the insurance. The high deductible health plan and PPO both have in and out of network coverage. On the high deductible health plan, with the exception of preventative care, you will need to meet your deductible before any claim will be covered, including prescriptions. If you elect to enroll in the high deductible health plan, JEA will make a contribution to a health savings account or HSA based on your coverage level. Per IRS regulations, if you have other coverage, this deposit will be deposited into a flexible spending account. The HMO plan is an in-network provider-only plan. You will not have to have a referral to see a specialist, but any provider would have to be in-network on this plan for coverage. The Mayo Clinic is not a covered provider on this plan. When you elect to participate in JEA's HMO plan, you will be provided with an employer-funded health reimbursement account, or HRA. This account can be used to pay for deductible, coinsurance, and copayments on this plan. Our PPO plan has a lower deductible and costs are based on a copayment structure with the exception of hospitalizations and emergency room visits. JEA offers two flexible spending account options. These accounts offer a way to pay for either health care or dependent care expenses using pre-taxed dollars. FSA healthcare dollars can be used for anyone you claim on your taxes, and the FSA for dependent care can be used to pay for daycare expense for children under the age of 13 or an elderly dependent. Please take a moment to review the costs for the three types of medical insurances available. These are the premiums that will be deducted from your paycheck twice per month for the medical product that you elect. Please keep in mind that there are 24 pay periods a year. These are pre-tax deductions. Please be aware that if you should make a change to your benefit selection, premiums will be applied retroactively to the date of the event. For continued review, please review your benefits guide, pages 7 and 15. Things such as your general health, whether you expect to receive expensive treatment or have surgery this year, are things that you should consider as you make the decision for your medical product. It is your responsibility to ensure your online benefits enrollment information is correct. If a premium deduction error occurs, notify benefit services immediately. It's important to note that you will have the opportunity to have in-person support during new employee orientation while you enroll in your online benefits. Florida Blue offers many support options and information through their website. Information can be received regarding quality and pricing of services by providers. This allows for you to shop, compare, and estimate your medical and prescription drug costs. The sign-up can occur through floridablue.com to access the comprehensive information. You and your covered family members have access to Teladoc, which allows you to contact a licensed doctor from anywhere at any time. Using a computer or your cell phone, reach a doctor for assistance with things like a cold, minor injuries, sinus infections, fevers, mental wellness support, or dermatology concerns. Teladoc providers can write prescriptions when appropriate, and you don't have to travel to a doctor's office and wait. You must be enrolled in one of JEA's medical plans to take advantage of this benefit. Next, we'll have a very brief review of our dental benefits. Much like our health insurance options, you have three options for dental insurance, which is provided through MetLife. There is a HMO plan, a low PPO plan, as well as a high PPO plan. Use the table to review the three options to make your decision as to which plan you would like to select during new employee orientation. Please take a moment to review the coverages and rates for dental insurance. These are the premiums that will be deducted from your check twice per month for the dental product that you elect. Keep in mind there are 24 pay periods a year. These are pre-tax deductions as well. Please be aware that if you should make a change to your benefits election, premiums will be applied retroactively to the date of the event. Next up is a review of our vision benefits. Our vision provider is iMed. iMed offers a wide range of providers, both private and large chain options. iMed also offers additional benefits with discounts on frames, contacts, and exclusive offers with providers. JEA also offers life insurance, accidental death and dismemberment, or AD&D, and disability benefits. As an employee of JEA, you are provided with life insurance and AD&D coverage at no cost to you. The amount of this coverage is based on your bargaining unit and can be found in the Benefits at a Glance page on page 15. You also have the option to add on additional life and AD&D coverage for yourself, spouse, and or children. Make sure to designate a beneficiary in Oracle who will receive your life insurance payment if you pass away while covered under this policy. You will have the opportunity to view the calculated costs for this coverage before election confirmation. Please note, evidence of insurability and approval from our provider's underwriter will be required for this benefit should you choose to elect or increase coverage at a later opportunity. A few points of clarification. You will use Oracle during new employee orientation to enroll in all benefits, including life insurance, AD&D coverage. In addition, you will be able to see the calculated costs in Oracle during new employee orientation. Evidence of insurability will be explained more also during new employee orientation. As a JEA employee, you also have family coverage options for life and AD&D insurance. You're able to have supplemental life insurance for your spouse at $10,000, $15,000, or $25,000. For children, the option is $10,000 per child. The costs are viewable on page 18 in the benefits guide. Disability insurance helps to protect your income should you become sick or disabled for an extended period. In the event you cannot return to work, disability insurance can provide you and your family with a continued source of income until you can return to work or retire. You have the opportunity to purchase both short-term disability insurance and long-term disability insurance through Standard Insurance Company. If you elect this coverage as a newly eligible employee, no medical questions are required. Evidence of insurability and approval from our provider's underwriter will be required for this benefit should you choose to elect or increase coverage at a later opportunity. You will have the opportunity to view the calculated cost for this coverage as well before election confirmation during new employee orientation. JEA offers all employees and their families a confidential employee assistance program, or EAP, through Health Advocate. You and your immediate family are automatically enrolled and have free, unlimited, confidential access to licensed counselors 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for assessment, short term problem resolution, and community resource referral. In addition, each family and employee can receive up to 5 face-to-face visits with a counselor for each issue each calendar year. Now we'll take a look at our wellness program and centers benefits. Through your JEA Wellness Program and its partners, lifestyle change and center programs are offered year-round to encourage participation in healthy living activities, stress management, tobacco cessation, healthy eating, exercise, and weight management. We help employees develop a healthy lifestyle by positively engaging employees in all areas of their life. For example, our biometric screening. If you complete the necessary confidential biometric screening steps within 60 days of hire, you are eligible for a $25 per month wellness credit. Health Check 360 will email you details within 2 weeks from your hire date. This value benefit is highly confidential in order to assist you with maintaining or improving your overall health. JEA also has wellness centers throughout Jacksonville. We have teamed up with Corporate Fitness Works to provide a certified wellness center manager to help meet your JEA wellness center needs. This support is through individual fitness counseling, virtual group classes, along with many other areas to assist you in meeting your fitness goals. You can participate in the JEA Wellness Centers at one of the 8 locations anytime by enrolling on the benefits grid. Should you elect to participate, the cost is $7.50 per pay period. Keep in mind that you will have the option to see more information about the programs and centers for our wellness program during new employee orientation, when you will have access to the JEA intranet site, also known as the grid. JEA also offers 2 voluntary benefit options. AFLAC offers a selection of plans to help you meet financial obligations associated with accidents, illnesses, and certain diagnoses. Coverage is paid for through payroll deductions and benefits are paid directly to you. Your cost for coverage depends on the plan and in some cases, your age. If your employment with JEA ends, you may take these benefits with you for the same cost you pay as an employee. U.S. Legal Services offers legal assistance through with post-tax payroll deductions, which are contributed each pay period for the plan year. The Family Protector is a comprehensive legal protection program designed to help individuals and their families deal with various personal issues in a dignified, affordable manner. This program includes, but is not limited to, free services such as telephonic legal advice, review of legal documents, and simple wills for member and spouse. You can upgrade your legal plan to include the identity theft program, which covers a $25,000 identity theft expense reimbursement. The policy also covers lost wages up to $500 per week for a maximum of 4 weeks. JEA also has 3 retirement plans that you will learn more about during new employee orientation. Here you have an overview of the 3 retirement plans. First is the General Employee Defined Contribution Plan, which all employees are auto-enrolled and participate in. JEA also has the 457B deferred contribution, which is optional for all employees. We also have the 401A defined contribution, which is eligible to all appointed classified employees. As a point of clarification, you will learn more about your JEA employee classification status during new employee orientation. Our 3 retirement plans are all participant directed. You can also see here when in-service withdrawals are eligible, as well as when distributions are possible. Our retirement plans are facilitated by Empower Retirement. You will have the opportunity to hear directly from an Empower Retirement representative during new employee orientation, to ask questions and get clarification regarding the retirement plan that you are participating in. A few notes about our retirement plans. Empower representatives are located at Jacksonville City Hall. Should you desire an in-person meeting, they also offer phone consultations as well as virtual consultations as well. The benefit plans comply with the respective Internal Revenue Codes as referenced, which includes annual compensation and benefit limits. The summaries prior do not replace the formal plan documents, which contain all the legal and technical requirements of the respective plan. Next steps are all going to happen during new employee orientation. You will select your JEA benefit plans and coverages with support from someone from the benefits team. You will want to come prepared. You can review the benefits guide, which you also have access to right now before your first day of new employee orientation. Review that guide with your family if appropriate. Using the guide, you can also mark or write down your benefit choices um, before even attending new employee orientation, and or you can of course wait until new employee orientation day 1 to be able to mark down and take notes about your possible benefit choices. On new employee orientation day 2, there are certain documents that you will be asked to bring as you will actually enroll in your benefit plans and coverages on new employee orientation day 2. Remember that you have 30 days from your start date to make changes to your enrollment. You will have the option and direction to email benefits@jea.com for changes within your first 30 days. Resources that are available to you even now, if needed, um, includes our benefits team that you can reach at benefits@jea.com. You can reach out to them with questions, but of course, you will have 2 days of access to them during new employee orientation, and they are always available even after new employee orientation, of course, to assist you. Again, welcome to JEA. We're excited to have you join our family. We can't wait to meet you during new employee orientation. and or just working around JEA and our community. Welcome aboard.